Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Roblox looks like something is not working right and you're signed out of Roblox error and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one, you just have to go over here on the search and search for CMD and you have to go for run as administrator, go for yes. Now you have to give the command ipconfig space slash flush DNS, press enter. Once it is successfully done, you just have to give one more command, which is netsh space winsock space reset, and you just have to press enter. Once it is done, you just have to close this and you have to do a restart. So once restart, you have to check, and if it's not fixed, we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you just have to go over here, go to control panel. From here, click on view network and status task. Now here, just kind of go to the connector internet over here, go for properties. From here, select internet protocol version, go for properties once again, and make sure, as you can see, the preferred DNS server is 888 and alternate DNS server is 8844, and this is validated by Google, so you have to make sure this is the one. Go for OK, or if it's not set, give these values and go for OK, and you have to go for one more method. Done with the second one. If it's still not working or it's not solving your issue, we have the second one, the third one, where you have to press Windows and R key all together, which will take you to the run command, or else you can go over here and search for run command over here like this. That is also possible, but right now, as you can see, I have given app data. You just have to go for OK. Now from here, you have to go to local. Now from here, you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to Roblox. From here, you have to go over here on versions. You have to go back to the versions, and as you can see, we have this file, right? So you just have to right click and go for delete. The same way, you have to delete these two, go for this one, and once it is done, you just have to check with the game, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.